Hey kids, welcome to lesson 11, while loops, number 9, printing after setting value. We've started trying to remove the duplicate code we've had on the last level by initializing a variable to a nonsense or dummy value that would still ensure we entered the loop. In the code we provided, not every number is going to be displayed. However, this time we want to try not to add code to fix the problem, since duplicating code is inefficient. We have a do this. Starter code. The code is completely functional except that it does not print one of the numbers it's supposed to. In addition, we don't want it to print the dummy variable of -1. Hint, what should be the last number that prints every time that runs this program? Run the program to see the behavior. Fix the code so it prints all the values of num. Hint, you don't need to add any code, just switch the order of the code that you have now. That's a pretty big hint right there on what we have to do. Let's go ahead and take a look at the code. Right now we have the variable number -1, so this is ensuring we always go into a loop. While the num is not equal to 6, you're going to go down here and you're going to write number is, and then num. Then we're going to go to our random number and we're going to generate a number between 1 and 6. Go back up here, substitute this number in, and then keep running down. Problem with this code right now, though, is we're always going to write that -1 number because it's going to be the first condition we hit. And that's not what we want because that's a nonsense number and it's just there to initialize our loop. So what do we have to do? Well, I know I don't have to write any new code. So I think all I'm really going to do is I'm going to take this right number here and I'm just going to move it below the random number. So that means the code will at least run once before it prints it off. Let's go ahead and test our ID out. Number 6 done. Right off the bat, we got one. Numbers 3, 5, 6 done. Notice we're not printing the -1. So we're getting into our loop, then we're printing our code out. Again, very helpful because this helps us initialize and then see what we're outputting. Really, that's all code wanted from us. We ran a program to see the behavior and we fixed it to print the num value that is not -1. And we did it by just moving some code around. Let's see if code.org wants anything else from us. No. Good job, kids. I will see you on the next lesson.